duty ham is the blacksmith in the port. Most of the anchors, hooks, and other metal riveting used in fishing come from his forge. I stop by to see him nearly every day. Tell me, where did you learn your trade?
My father taught me in Senegal. I started to work there, and then I moved to Mauritania. Thanks to this profession, I built my house and could also get married. It's a job that fulfills me because I do it with my own hands. It's a family tradition that goes way back. I make anchors and hooks like these for the fishermen. I take the iron from anywhere. I recycle all kinds of objects that they bring me. Nothing is thrown away here. I can use a piece of a car, an abandoned iron beam. It's all useful to me.
Tell me about your son Abdul. Does he go to school, or is he only learning the profession here with you?
He's not in school right now because it's vacation time. The day school opens again, he'll go back to study. When it's closed, I prefer to have him here with me. Otherwise, he fights with his friends. There's no one to watch him or take care of him on the street. No one to give him advice. He only obeys his parents. Besides, if he does well in school, which is what we all want, good. But if he fails, it would be better for him to know this trade.
Then do you consider yourself a lucky man? Are you happy with your life?
Yes, very happy. I have worked as hard as I had to, and my family has all it needs. To sell more or less is now a question of luck. God has given me everything I have, and it is Him I thank.